Okay. Hello everyone. How are you? कैसे हो सभी लोग? Ma'am, from what angle, Shobana, do I look like a ma'am? Hmm? Yes. Good evening, Ritika. ठीक है. Hi everyone. So how are you? थोड़ा chat box में ज़रा थोड़ा starting एक थोड़ा interaction से करते हैं कि भाई how is everybody, कहाँ से हैं सब लोग? Yes. Good evening everyone. थोड़ा जानते हैं सबके बारे में. Let's interact a little bit, then we will start. ठीक है. ऐसी कोई issue नहीं है. Yes. Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. कैसे हो सभी लोग? And before starting, first of all, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to everybody from Selected, and from my side a very happy Raksha Bandhan. I hope सबका रक्षा बंधन अच्छा गया होगा. सब अपने अपने घर गए होंगे बढ़िया. सबने अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ, भाई बहनों के साथ काफ़ी इंजॉय किया होगा. दैट्स नाइस. गुड. गुड इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग. ओके. वन गाइस फ्रॉम छत्रपति संभाजी नगर. दैट्स नाइस. ठीक है. और कहाँ कहाँ से लोग हैं हमारे पास? लाइक फ्रॉम विच पार्ट ऑफ our country, or let's say which part of the world? Hello from Karnataka, Raebareli, Indore. Okay, Karnataka, Bangalore, UP. Nice. I know, Ragini, that Raebareli is in UP. I know. Bihar, Pune, Andhra Pradesh, Darjeeling, Tamil Nadu, UP, Kanyakumari. Nice. Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand. Vijay Lakshmi invitation. Is this Hindi class? No, it will be bilingual. Don't worry. It will be bilingual. Vijay Lakshmi. Whatever I'll be saying in Hindi, I'll translate that in English as well. So there is, don't worry about that. सर्टिफिकेट कहाँ पर मिलेगा सर? सर्टिफिकेट यू विल गेट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप. आपको एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. यू विल why? Because there is a prerequisite. After the session is over, you will be faced with a quiz. Okay, everyone. As soon as this session is over, you will be faced with a quiz at the end. So you have to apply, you have to, let's say, perform that quiz, and you have to answer some questions based upon this session only. And after you complete that quiz, you will get your certificate. Pradyum Nirvani, hello sir, how much time will be this session? Mostly 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu. Okay, that means like we have like many people from many parts of our country. That's really good. So, as everybody told like where they from. सर कैन यू प्लीज ऑल्सो स्पीक इन हिंदी? बिल्कुल सूरज, मैंने अभी जस्ट बोला कि हमारा सेशन बायलिंगुअल रहेगा. जो भी मैं हिंदी में आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा वो मैं आपको सेम चीज़ इंग्लिश में भी एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. विल वी गेट सर्टिफिकेट? यस लकी गुप्ता, यू विल गेट दिस सर्टिफिकेट एट द एंड. सर दिस इज वर्थ वाइल. दिस इज और इज दिस वर्थ वाइल? मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. आर यू ट्राइंग टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन? सो वो तो आपको पता चलेगा अभी जब आप पूरा सेशन देखोगे, आपके परसेप्शन के हिसाब से, वेदर इट विल बी लाइक वर्थवाइल और नॉट. आदित्य प्रभु सर, यू डिडंट कॉल मी. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम आदित्य? सर्टिफिकेट कब मिलेगा? अभी तो बताया मैंने, सर्टिफिकेट आपको एट द एंड मिलेगा. सर प्लीज स्पीक ओनली इन इंग्लिश प्लीज. सॉरी, Richika Murugan. Uh, there will be two languages, Hindi and English, because we have some people who can understand English and Hindi both as well. There are some people who can only understand, or let's say are able to understand English, and there are some people who are only able to understand Hindi. So we'll be using both the language. मैं दोनों languages का use करूँगा, Hindi and English. Okay. I am in Karnataka. Okay, Aditya Prabhu, that's nice. You are from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So, guys, as for me, hi, my name is Chandranshu Rathor. Uh, Basically, I am from MP, but I reside in Pune as for the obvious job purposes. Yes, I am also from Madhya Pradesh. So, guys, our today's topic is all about Power BI. How we can learn about Power BI. I have recently bought a data analytic course and still learning Gen AI from it, so I'm not good in Power BI. So this session will also be for beginners friendly. Yes, Pradyum Nirvani, this session will be for beginner friendly only. Don't worry. Can you cover Power BI from basic? No, we can conduct a different webinar for that. हम एक दूसरा webinar conduct कर सकते हैं उस चीज़ के लिए. Currently, we are going to discuss a simple and let's say a typical topic inside Power BI. In Pune, in KP, Koregaon Park, our office is located in KP, B10 behind in Ashiana Park, behind Voyage Cafe, B10 office. You can come in office and you can also like meet us here. Sir, will AI replace data analytics job? No. Okay. So, how many of you have used Power BI, or let's say, how many of you have already done projects or used Power BI? कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो Power BI already यूज कर चुके हैं या कर रहे हैं? Is getting certificate paid? No, you will get the certificate for absolutely free. I'm new in this field. Don't worry. Today we are not going to discuss anything like not that much about data analytics, but we'll be discussing something more interactive and visually creative. I had used Power BI, but no projects I had created. Okay, so we can see that some of the people have used Power BI, some of the people haven't. किसी किसी ने यूज किया है, किसी किसी ने यूज नहीं किया. So today's class is about how we can give more interaction and how we can do further analysis or let's say any advanced type of analysis inside Power BI. हम कैसे एक डैशबोर्ड को और इंटरैक्टिव बना सकते हैं, रिपोर्ट्स को इंटरैक्टिव बना सकते हैं, साथ ही साथ हम कैसे एक एडवांस या फर्दर एनालिसिस हमारे विजुअल्स के अंदर ऐड कर सकते हैं इनसाइड पावर बीआई. टुडेज सेशन इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. ओके, व्हाई यूज पावर बीआई फॉर बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस? Now let me share my screen with you guys. Okay. Yes. Is my screen visible, everyone? Is my screen visible, everybody? Because Power BI is very powerful. Yes, kind of. Luck. How many days this course conducted? This is only Monica. This is a webinar. It will like only run for 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. But if you want to join the Power BI course, then we do have a 6 days Power BI course, live course. So I'll be telling you that in the mid. मैं आपको थोड़ा बीच में बताऊंगा उसके बारे में कि हमारा क्या कोर्स है, कैसे हम उसको कंडक्ट करने वाले हैं. It overcome the disadvantages of MS Excel. What is Power BI required? Why is Power BI required? First of all, it is basically required for business intelligence, guys. Now, business intelligence is using technologies, framework, processes, and tools in order to, let's say, solve your business problems. ठीक है, आप वो क्यों यूज करते हो पावर बीआई? ताकि आप अपने बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सको बाय स्टैटिस्टिकल और विजुअल. इन दो मेथड से हम सॉल्व करते हैं. सो बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस इज ऑल अबाउट सॉल्विंग द बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम्स, गेटिंग सॉल्यूशंस फॉर योर बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड let's say analyzing the analyzing the data related to your business. No, it's not a bug, it's just screen mirroring. Okay, wait, let me just go on to the Power BI. So guys, we all have seen that we can make a dashboard using Power BI. Now that much we know, right? इतना तो हम जानते हैं कि हम पावर बीआई क्यों यूज करते हैं. मेनली फॉर क्रिएटिंग interactive reports, dashboards, and giving this detailed analysis of our company. Let's say we have a Kevin Cookie company financials. Now this is a one page dashboard. This is only a one page dashboard. Now what if there were multiple pages in my dashboard. Ishak, I just said Power BI is required for business intelligence in order to solve your business problems. Sir, this dashboard use some kind KPIs and charts. Yes. Attendance, no Karan. Okay, Ishak, if you still want to know why Power BI is used for, you have to be in this session. आई जस्ट सेड कि पावर बी आई बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस के लिए यूज होता है, जिससे कि आप अपने बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सके, बिजनेस का डेटा एनालाइज कर सके, बिजनेस रिलेटेड आप चीजों को अपने क्लियर कर सके यूजिंग पावर बी आई. दैट इज कॉल्ड बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एंड दैट इज वाई पावर बी आई इज यूज फॉर. पावर बी आई का फुल फॉर्म ही होता है पावर बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस. नो करण, आई जस्ट सेड नो. Explain the use of every charts, that will take very long. So we have this dashboard, that is Kevin Cookie Company Financial. Now it shows profit by month, revenue and units sold by country. We have profit margin by product. We have some KPIs like how many total units were sold, total profit profit per unit, total revenue, profit margin, and we have this table like for every product, how it performed in terms of total profit, profit per unit and sum of units sold. तो एक ये डैशबोर्ड है भाई मेरे पास पूरा. इसके अंदर हमारे पास प्रॉफिट बाय मंथ, रेवेन्यू एंड यूनिट सोल्ड बाय कंट्री है, प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है. हमारे पास एक पूरा टेबल है जो कि क्या बता रहा है, टोटल प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट पर यूनिट, सम ऑफ यूनिट सोल्ड, टोटल यूनिट, सारी चीजें, केपीआईज, एवरीथिंग. नाउ दिस इज ओनली अ वन पेज डैशबोर्ड. ये क्या है, ये सिर्फ एक वन पेज डैशबोर्ड है भाई, है ना. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम मल्टीपल पेज का एक डैशबोर्ड बनाने वाले हैं. तो मल्टीपल पेज का एक डैशबोर्ड बनाने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट लेट मी डू सम सिंपल चेंजेस. ओके, बहुत छोटे मोटे मैं कुछ चेंजेस कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, सो जस्ट बी विथ मी गाइस. ओके, दिस इज ओके, दैट्स फाइन. नाउ आई विल जस्ट सिंपली अनग्रुप देम. ठीक है, दिस इज जस्ट समथिंग, मैं एक थोड़ा बस प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ अपनी आगे की चीज़ों के लिए. नाउ दैट्स इट. नाउ वी हैव दिस पेज वन. Now I can just simply duplicate this. I have page 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, 4 pages है. Let's suppose we have a dashboard of 4 pages. Now let's just suppose this. We have a dashboard of 4 pages. Now कैसे आप इनके बीच में interact करोगे? How are you able to interact or let's say navigate between these 4 pages? How? Normally we have to select this page 4. हम ये नॉर्मल ऐसे इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हैं इससे, लाइक दिस ओनली. बट व्हाट इफ आई वांट टू डू इट मोर डायनामिकली? क्या हो अगर मैं इसको और एडवांस टाइप का बनाना चाहूं, मैं इसको और थोड़ा डायनामिक बनाना चाहूं मैं अगर, देन सी फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु आर आस्किंग फॉर सर्टिफिकेट, एट द एंड तक आपको रुकना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू be in this session until the end if you want to know how to get the certificate. As I already said in the beginning, you will get the certificate at the end only. सर्टिफिकेट कंप्लीट हो, आपका सेशन कंप्लीट होगा, आपको एक क्विज देना है, क्विज में कुछ आंसर्स रहेंगे, क्विज को अटेम्प्ट कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करेक्ट आंसर देने का टाइम, मतलब अपना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करेक्ट आंसर दीजिए और एट दी एंड आपको आपका सर्टिफिकेट प्रोवाइड हो सकता है. मैं पूरा शो करूँगा, ठीक है. What are KPIs? They are called key performance indicators, like some of the indicators or some of the data pointers that basically shows the performance of your data. Let's say total units sold, it shows us the performance of our data or performance of our business in terms of the units sold, in terms of profit, in terms of profit per unit. So KPI is basically key performance indicator, the indicator which displays the performance of your data or which represents the performance of your data. Now अब अगर मेरे पास ये मल्टीपल पेजेस का डैशबोर्ड है, नाउ इफ वी हैव दिस मल्टीपल पेजेस डैशबोर्ड, हाउ विल आई एबल टू इंटरैक्ट more dynamically? So now we are going to learn about a very good thing that is called page navigation. हम पेज नेविगेशन का यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. सो फॉर पेज नेविगेशन वी कैन गो ऑन इंसर्ट, go on buttons and simply go on navigator at the end. Go on insert, go on buttons, go on navigator and simply go for page navigator. Now I have this page navigator. I am going to put it at the top of my dashboard and make it look like this. Okay. See, so now I'm going to copy this. I am going to copy this page navigator. मैं इसको copy कर रहा हूँ और बाकी सारे pages पे paste कर दूंगा. I'll paste this on other pages as well. क्योंकि हमें हर page में navigate करना है. We want to navigate in all the pages. So it is necessary for all the pages to have this page navigator. अगर एक page पे होगा और दूसरे page पे नहीं होगा, तो आप कैसे इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे नेविगेट करेंगे. बेसिक लॉजिकल चीज है, देखो समझने वाली. इट इज अ वेरी बेसिक लॉजिकल थिंग दैट इफ देयर इज अ पेज नेविगेटर ऑन वन पेज एंड लेट्स सपोज देयर इज नो पेज नेविगेटर ऑन दिस पेज, हाउ विल यू नेविगेट फ्रॉम दिस पेज. इस पेज से कैसे नेविगेट करोगे. तो बहुत बेसिक लॉजिक है. तो जितने भी लोग सोच रहे हैं कि अगर हम एक पेज में क्यों नहीं दे सकते सर, तो दिमाग लगाओ. कैसे दे सकते हो आप एक पेज पर, आपको मल्टीपल पेजेस पर देना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, so we have page 1. See, now I can't just use them by clicking them. I can't use them. Why? Because in Power BI we have two options. First we have to edit our shape or let's say any visual, or we can use that visual. ये दो option होते हैं. If you want to use the page navigator, hold down the control key, and then press these buttons. So this is one way. This is only one way to do page navigation inside your Power BI if you have a multiple page dashboard. Now this is only one way. Let's say मैं इसे edit करना चाहता हूँ. I want to edit this, so simply click on this, go on here, format navigator, and I can change the shapes as well. I can, let's say, give a chevron arrow, or I can give the rounded corners angle 90 degree, or any I can give. There is oval, there is rectangle, there is a rounded rectangle or snipped tab. We have trapezoid, isosceles triangles also. We have speech bubble too. So as per your want or as per your need, you can give any shape to your page navigator. Now I will go simply on a chevron arrow. Look good. Then I can change the style for it. Let's say I can increase the font size on the navigator C. Then I can make them bold. I can just simply make them bold, make the font color go black. Fill value. Now on fill value हम अलग अलग fill भी दे सकते हैं. Let's say I want to give the blue fill, or I want to give a very like grayish or whitish fill. तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे option होते हैं. I can edit this as well. So for now let's just keep it at white. I can even give in the borders too. I can give the borders also. So as I turned on the border, it got shrinked, so I don't give the borders. Let's say I can turn on the shadow also. Okay. Pages, we have option for pages as well. So let's just close this. We have grid layout style. So कुछ इस तरीके के changes आप ऐसे यहाँ पर दे सकते हो. Now it says state default. Default means like in this state, what should be the font size, what should be the color of the background, and what should be the text look like in the default state. That means in this state. Now we have 4 different state: default, hover, press, selected. 4 अलग अलग हमारे पास होते हैं: default, hover, press and selected. So let's say when I am hovering over them, तो जब हम इन पे ऐसे hover कर रहे हैं, तब इन पे क्या करना चाहिए भाई? fill color. The fill color, when I am hovering over them, the fill color should be a little bit darker. See, then we have one more state when I am pressing them, like when I'm just doing a, like let's say this click, when I'm pressing them, what should be the color? When you press them, the color should be more dark. Correct? Not font color, fill color. When I'm pressing them, the color should be more darkish. See, see, when I'm hovering and when I'm clicking, they both are different color. Then when it is selected, it should give a black color. See, अब हर एक नेविगेटर एक दूसरे से सिर्फ पेज के थ्रू कनेक्टेड होता है, फॉर्मेटिंग के थ्रू नहीं. नाउ एवरी नेविगेटर इज कनेक्टेड थ्रू पेजेस, बट इट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड थ्रू formatting. Use page navigation in insert tab. Can you share this Excel sheet, sir? Please repeat the steps. Communicate in English, sir. Sir, please speak in English. ये कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर है? तुषार कोहली, this is Power BI. You can download it from Microsoft website. As for Sanjay, as you can see, whatever I'm saying in Hindi, I am repeating in English as well. So I will not talk in English only, because there are people who can understand both language, but there are some people as well who can understand only Hindi, or let's say who can understand only English. So this will be bilingual end of this language session. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to delete these page navigators. हम ये वाले page navigator delete कर देंगे. Then I'm going to copy this navigator and I will paste it on the other pages. Why? Because it has the formatting. That's why. Now, this is one way to do page navigation. See, I can just simply do this. This is one way. Now, the second way is to use buttons. The second way to use these arrow buttons, left arrow, right arrow. Let me show you how we can do that. First, bring a left arrow, then bring a right arrow. What its properties? 83 by 99. I will make it 80 by 90. This one as well, I would make it 80 by 90. It should be same. So here are my two shapes. Now we can't just directly use these buttons, guys. We can't just directly use these buttons. हम directly इन buttons को use नहीं कर सकते. Not possible. See, because originally, or let's say by default, they are shapes. By default, they are shapes. See, by default it's an arrow, so I can change the shape of it. It's state in default, or let's say it's shape in rectangle, so I can give it a pill, or I can change it to any shape. Currently it is in rectangle, so I will keep it that way only. Now I will just simply copy these buttons and I will paste them all over these reports. So I will copy this, go on page 2, paste it here as well, paste it here as well, paste it here as well. Same goes for the left button. Copy it, paste it here as well, paste it here as well, and paste it here as well. Now what you need to do, you need to select these shapes and turn on their actions. Now every shape here performs an action. Now we can just simply assign that action. हर एक शेप यहाँ से आप एक कुछ एक्टिविटी एक्शन करवा सकते हो उससे, और हम वो स्पेसिफाई भी कर सकते हैं, डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स टर्न ऑन द एक्शन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एरो. टर्न इट ऑन. Type page navigation. Destination, page number 2. Same goes for here. Turn on the action. Type page navigation. Destination, page number 4. Go on to select this. Turn on the action. Now what should be the Navigation here, page navigation. Destination will be page number 3, and for here, destination will be page number 2, sorry, page number 1. So 3 पर भी हम यही चीज करेंगे. Go on your buttons, action, go for page navigation, and go for 4. Same goes for here. Go for page navigation and go for page number 4. No, not page number 4, page number 2. Back arrow है ना. Page number 4. Go here, turn on the action. See, these you have to do manual. ये जो आप जितनी भी चीजें देख रहे हो ना, ये जो मैं मैनुअली कर रहा हूँ, the things that I'm doing manually here, these should be done manually only, and these can only be done manually only. आप ये चीजें सिर्फ मैनुअली कर सकते हैं. ये नो एआई कैन लाइक simply build a dashboard this much advanced. So if you are thinking we can just simply use AI or any other platform in order to create a Power BI report, let me just say one thing, you are mistaken. We can't. So the things that you are seeing that I'm performing on the screen, you have to do all of these things manually, guys. Okay. Also explain how to be dark mode, light mode, toggle for dashboard visualization, how to delete navigator, how to do copy paste. Okay, how to be dark mode and light mode, you can go on to file and change the modes. How to delete navigator, simply select it, press the delete button. As for this question, how do you copy and paste? I just simply select the object, I press Control plus copy, Control plus C, and then Control plus V. uh, we can also use format painter. Yes, same goes for copy and paste. WhatsApp community is full, then how will WhatsApp community is full, then how will join? You can join another one also. There will be one created for new students. Use action format for navigation. Yes, exactly, that's what I was doing. Please repeat the process. Which process? OP Office Master students on the chat. Nice one. So as you can see, I have answered each of your queries, and the queries that were asked were not at the level of Office Master, so don't worry, Ash edits. Uh, as for Protham Place, which process? Okay, so in order to delete a navigator, simply select it, press delete. If you want to copy and paste something on the other pages, simply press copy and then Control C, Control V. These are some general shortcuts that we are using since we started using computer. So Ash edits, if you think these are the Office master level queries, then you are wrong. Okay, now we have assigned every action. हमने हर एक action assign कर दिया है. We have assigned every button. So I will just simply, I'm holding down the control key, guys. See, if you click it normally, you can't use the buttons or navigator. As you can see, if I'm hovering over it, it says control plus click. So you have to hold down your control key. आपको अपना control key hold down करके रखना पड़ेगा और फिर आप इसे use कर सकते हो. So we have given this also. See, I can just simply navigate between my pages more dynamically, and it just give a little bit different appeal to my report. एक हमने dynamic तरीका लगाया है, उससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा अपील दे सकते हैं अपने डैशबोर्ड के लिए. Okay, as for this thing, you can simply go here. Let's say मैं इस पेज को यहाँ पर ले आता हूँ. I will bring in this navigator, click on copy and paste it here. See, as soon as I add a new page, जैसे मैं एक नया पेज ऐड कर देता हूँ, अपने आप सारे पेजेस में देखो अपडेट हो जाएगा. Go on in here, its name is home. Go on to style, or don't go on style, just go on grid layout. It's horizontal. No, I want it vertical. So you can just simply give a header and a page navigation like this on your home page. Go on in here, copy your copy this visual, come here, let me copy and paste this visual. So we have our visual Kevin Cookie Company financials. And if I want to go on home, if I ever click on this home page, I want to go on home only. So if I click here page 1, I can go on home, I can click on page number 2, I can go on home, I can click on page number 3, I can go on home. For as same as well, I can go on page number 4 and I can go on home. So this is how you can create a entry page. जैसे हम एक front page नहीं बनाते थे अपने projects के लिए, just like we created some projects front pages so that the people can know what is the index to our project. जब हम एक project बनाते थे तो हम उसमें एक index mention करते थे कि पता चल सके किस पेज पर कौन सा item है हमारा, right? Like which part of the report is at which page number, or at which index it is. So I have just simply created an index here. See, so this is how. Can we change the control plus click setting? No, by default you can't change that. See, because for every visual there are two sides, its use and its formatting. If you want to use it, you can just simply click inside the visual, but if you want to format it, you also have to click on it. So if you want to perform a different action look, then we have to use the control plus click. There is no point to changing that. It is by default, पहले से डिफॉल्ट ऑप्शन है, हम उसमें कुछ नहीं करते. सर इस डैशबोर्ड में आप एआई कैसे यूज करने वाले हैं? यस, लेट मी टेल यू दैट रियली इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सी, फॉर एवरी रिपोर्ट और फॉर एवरी डैशबोर्ड वी नीड टू गिव अ समरी रिपोर्ट. हमें एक समरी रिपोर्ट देना होता है. Now, how can I give a summary report? I have to prepare it. First, I have to get the information about my data. I have to, let's say, check everything like मेरे data में क्या है, क्या नहीं है, what are the KPIs, or let's say what kind of column we have, what's the column distribution. We have to know all of these things in order to give a summary report. But instead, in Power BI, I can just simply give a summary report by using AI. How? Copilot is integrated inside Power BI. Now, some of the features of the Copilot inside Power BI, in order to use that, you have to purchase the premium version, Office 365. But, but there are still some features that you can use inside Power BI विदाउट इवन पेइंग अ पेनी. आपको एक पैसा देने की जरूरत नहीं है और आप कुछ फीचर्स हैं वहां पर आप उन्हें यूज कर सकते हैं पावर बीआई के अंदर, वो भी एआई फीचर्स. पावर बीआई में अभी रिमोट जॉब्स अवेलेबल है क्या सर? बहुत अवेलेबल हैं ध्रुव, बट हर कंपनी का अलग रिक्वायरमेंट होता है. तो रिमोट जॉब्स तो बहुत हैं. देयर आर मेनी रिमोट जॉब्स. So yes, I was going to show you how you can use AI inside Power BI. So see, we have a visual called narrative. I give this narrative, and I can choose a narrative type, use Copilot to create a narrative with AI, or choose custom for more control. I will be going for custom. So as I choose the custom, see, a summary report has been written and I didn't even wrote a single formula या फिर मैंने कोई कोड लिखा हो, कुछ भी नहीं लिखा मैंने, और हमारे सामने पूरा समरी रिपोर्ट आ गया है. आई विल मेक इट बिग इन टेक्स्ट, बोल्ड. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. दिस समरी रिपोर्ट इज डायनामिक. हाउ इट इज डायनामिक? नाउ एज आई select any location or anything, my summary report changes as per the data. Now this is a feature inside Power BI you can use to make up your summary report with AI without any hassle or without writing a DAX query or a code. Even if I interact with a chart, let's say I click on it, so my summary will change on basis of that also. Let's say I select this is a KPI card, so it will not interact to it. ये हमारा KPI कार्ड है तो इससे interact नहीं करेगा. लेकिन as I select chocolate chip, तो आप देखो भाई, October had the highest profit, 285.62% higher than February, which has the lowest profit. तो पूरा एक एक summary report, and this is how you can simply use AI inside Power BI. See, AI is not all about doing all of your work. AI ये नहीं करता कि आपका पूरा काम वो आपके लिए कर देगा. AI is there to replace manual work, not to, let's say, replace people. कितना ही आप एडवांस हो जाओ, कितना भी कुछ कर लो, there will be always need of people in order to maintain AI. ठीक है. AI कैसे लर्न करता है भाई? जितना उसमें प्रोग्राम करेंगे, जितना उसको हम ट्रेन करेंगे, उतना ही वो काम कर पाएगा. How much we are developing them, programming them, training them, on that basis only AI will work. So there will always be need of people who can maintain that thing. AI क्या करता है? वर्कलोड कम करता है. Now let's say AI can remove the workload for many content writers. Now previously, before AI, मतलब जब chat GPT, when the chat GPT was not introduced, people were hiring content writers. People were hiring content writers, or let's say some artists, so that they can create some doodles or they can create some visuals. But nowadays, if you see that, the work of 5 content writers can be done with one only. लाइव क्लास में ऐड कैसे आ रहा है? कौन सा ऐड? अरे वो बीच में तो आते हैं तुषार, आप कैसे ही ज्वाइन करो, वो यूट्यूब का पॉलिसी है. Just give me 1 minute. Let me just plug in my charger, guys. We have a very low battery on my device. Just give me a second. Okay. So as I said, AI को मेंटेन करने के लिए भाई देखो लोगों की जरूरत है. ऐसा नहीं है. जहां पे 5 लोगों का काम पहले हो रहा था, अब वो 5 लोगों का काम एक बंदा मिलके कर रहा है, एक ही बंदा कर रहा है. Okay. So this is all about AI. Now, if you want to know more about Power BI and how to use AI inside Power BI, I want to give you a very nice thing, or let's say very nice opportunity that you can just see. See, we are going to launch a Power BI live AI Power BI live course. It will be for 6 days. 6 दिन का हमारा Power BI का workshop रहेगा. Okay. So for that 6 days Power BI workshop, we have created a, let's say, like report presentation create किया है, so that you can understand it very well. I'm going to show it on your screen. We have a Power BI with AI 6 days live workshop. The course detail is basically it will be 6 days live. You will get bonuses worth rupees 20,500 free at the end. You will get a free digital certificate. Also, there's a limited time offer that is 199. What you will learn in the curriculum: day one, introduction to Power BI and data connection. What is Power BI and how you can connect it to various data sources, how you can transform data with Power Query. We will get to know more about data modeling and relationships, how to use data visualization and dashboard designs. Then we will see Power BI plus AI and automation, how you can automate your task inside Power BI. Also capstone project, we are going to create a capstone project at the end. हम day 6 पर एक project भी create करेंगे. Master Business Sales, HR, Finance, and AI powered dashboard. See, this is a HR dashboard employee report performance. It was created by a student. Her name is Aarti. So she created this, which uncovers employee performance trend through a live HR project. As for this one, this is a La Velona Wines. This is a agile powered Power BI desktop. Agile is basically a group activity, so it is a group work. You can see that this is a multiple pages dashboard. Okay. And all of these dashboards are available on my LinkedIn profile, guys. my LinkedIn profile will be posted in this chat box, so you can check out my LinkedIn profile and you can check out more projects as well. Okay, marketing team, can you please share the link for the LinkedIn profile so that students are able to check out these projects? Okay, so link will be in the chat box, तो आप उसे देख सकते हैं, वहां पर सारे प्रोजेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स के अपलोडेड हैं, मेरे लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पर आप जा सकते हैं. ओके, then we have free bonuses. Free bonus one, complete Power BI installation guide. Then we have 1400 plus customizable PPT templates, index creation VBA tool. You have infographics and icon set. You have Power BI shortcut handbook, and you will be getting the detailed notes for Power BI as well. Now this is how the sample certificate look like. You will get this type of certificate. Here will be your name, and this is the scanners for limited time discount, or you can simply contact us at this number. Also, you can write us your mail at support@selected.com. So, any doubts or any confusion regarding this? So, as you can see, the LinkedIn profile has been posted. You can check out all the projects. तो ये तो सिर्फ दो प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको मैंने यहाँ पे शो करे हैं, इनके अलावा और बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. ऑल्सो देयर इज द लिंक for the Power BI mini course. You can just simply go on this URL and click on it, and you will be directly jumping on to the landing page, guys. This is our Power BI with AI 6 days live workshop. You can check out all the details here also, and you can check everything here. Why join this course, what will be you getting, what are the dashboards. See, these are also the dashboard that were created by students also. If you want to check out more of these projects, you can just visit my LinkedIn profile. Link for my LinkedIn profile is in the chat box. You can go there. Okay, so now let's continue with our session. First of all, I want to know, is not opening. Let me click on it. Yes, you are right, it is not opening. Give me 1 minute. Dark and light mode. Yeah, wait, we will do that, don't worry, Devyans. uh, though it is like not even necessary which mode you are using here, just doing it to make it aesthetic probably. So yeah, we can do that, it's no problem. As for which mode you use, it doesn't affect the performance of your Power BI, let me just say. Try this one, maybe this will. Yes, see on the chat box one more link has come and you can open that. There it is, Jayashri. There it is. LinkedIn profile. You can check out my LinkedIn profile now. Okay. Yes, as for how to get that in dark mode or light mode, it is not that of a go on file, go on options and settings, options. It will take some time. Here are options. Now we have, let me just check current file, region, auto recovery, report settings. We have a dark mode available here. I have done that, but I don't use dark mode that much. बहुत ज़्यादा लोड उससे पड़ता है क्योंकि where it is regional setting, privacy, copilot preview, report settings, uh, copilot data load, regional privacy, report settings. Okay, wait. Hmm. File sign in about where is my account, data source, save, get, import, export, publish, out. I haven't used dark mode that much, so I am a little confused, guys. Like where to find that? Hmm. Usage data load power query. Okay, let me just say one thing. I can't find that option as I don't really use, or I haven't really used the dark mode that much. कोई ज़्यादा उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, वो सिर्फ आपके रिपोर्ट के लिए ही होता है कि आप कैसा अपने रिपोर्ट को व्यू करना चाहते हो, वेदर इन डार्क मोड और लाइट मोड. सो उससे कोई इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता आपके काम पर. So it doesn't matter like what kind of mode you are using. If you want, like you can just go for that, and simply like you can check out any YouTube tutorial in order to like change the mode. And second of all, this session is not to simply change your mode, कि आप अपना मोड कैसे क्या चेंज कर रहे हो. सो प्रॉबली इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप कोई भी मोड यूज़ करो. अगर आपको पावर बी आई में काम करना आता है तो इट डजेंट रियली मैटर how or which mode you want to keep that. Okay, now we have navigate to the view tab in the ribbon and select themes. Okay, view tab. Now we have themes. Okay, browse for themes gallery. We have dark mode. Okay, customize current theme. Thank you so much. Ash, thank you so much. So, Devyanan Pachal, you can just simply follow that instruction given by Ash Edits, navigate to the view tab in the ribbon, select themes. आप theme से अपना ये select basically आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, like how to create a theme. You can browse, you can theme gallery, you can select the dark one. Thank you so much. Now, just give me 1 minute, guys, please. Sorry for that. So, now let's talk about bookmarks. We are going to talk about one more interactive thing that we can do using Power BI. That is bookmarks. Certificate is available. Wait, the link will be provided to you. Don't worry, don't worry. Bookmarks. Now, I have a question for you. Can you please tell me why do we use bookmarks? हम bookmarks क्यों use करते हैं? Why do we use these bookmarks? हमारे पास ये जो tabs होते हैं, the tabs we have, like if you want to go on a tab very fast, let's say there is YouTube or there is this or selected dashboard. So if I don't have to type, I can just simply jump onto that particular tab inside, let's say any web browser. Now bookmark has a role to play. बुकमार्क्स क्या करते हैं कि लेट्स सपोज कि आप किसी एक प्रॉपर कहीं किसी पोजीशन पर थे and you want to return to that position again, what you can do, you can just simply use a bookmark. हम जैसे books वगैरह easy access, exactly, I was like not finding those words. Thank you so much Lochna. Easy access. For easy access we use bookmarks, right? Yeah, wait, the session is still 10 minutes left. Don't worry, आपको certificate मिलेगा. Don't worry, I'll show you how to use, how to get the certificate. To return to a mark we place. Thank you so much Kailash. So bookmarks are exactly used to return to a place that we to return to mark we placed or at any time we make. ठीक है. Now हाउ डू वी यूज बुकमार्क्स इन पावर बीआई. भाई पावर बीआई में आप कैसे बुकमार्क्स को यूज करते हो, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीका है. आप एक विजुअल से दो विजुअल्स बना सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली शो वन विजुअल, or let's say you can show two visuals instead of one. Yes, Yogeshri, I know the next is for Python. Don't worry. The certificate for Python will also be provided at the end only. Yes, yes, yes. Now, I will go on insert and I will insert a button that is my right arrow. I will place a right arrow here. Now I will go on to buttons, insert a button and I will bring in a left arrow and I will place the left arrow here. Now in order to use the bookmarks, you have to go on view tab, go for selection, go for bookmarks. I will turn off these filters. I will turn off this format button also. I will turn off this data also. बुकमार्क के लिए ये दो चीजें होनी बहुत जरूरी हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू शेप्स. वन इज दिस शेप. आई विल मेक इट bookmark right and I will make this bookmark left. Now I want to create a bookmark where only right arrow and this particular chart is visible, or I want to create a bookmark where only this arrow and this chart is only visible. So what I can do, I can just simply make it hide. I can just simply hide this visual. मैं इस visual को hide भी कर सकता हूं. ठीक है, ये देखो मैंने hide कर दिया है इसको. So at the point where I'm hiding this visual, I can create a bookmark. See, add a bookmark. I have added this one, bookmark number 1. So if I turn on the bookmark left and I click on the bookmark 1, you can see मैंने जिस point पर bookmark बनाया था हम उस point पर आ गए. Now I'm going to simply copy this, paste it here only, and instead of the product, मैं data में जाता हूँ, थोड़ा मैं इसको change कर रहा हूँ बस. Instead of the product, I want to see it country wise. This is profit margin by country, and behind that we have profit margin by product. Now I have two charts. Okay, I have two charts. I will make this chart disappear as well. And now I will click on this one and update. I have updated by bookmark. So in bookmark 1, I can only view profit margin by product and this right arrow. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I will click this and right click here and on selected visuals only. The visuals that are currently selected, I want these changes to be applied on those visuals only, on these particular visuals. Selected visual, update. That's it. Now, doesn't matter if I have all the things. If I just click on bookmark 1, only profit margin by product will appear. Now, I will show both of these and I will disappear the bookmark right and profit margin by product. And now I will add another bookmark. This is my bookmark 2. So this is by country. This is by product. So if I click on country, the profit margin by country will be there. And if I click on product, the profit margin by product will be there. Now, so as to ask, sir, why did you give those arrows? So I can turn on the action in them also. Go on format button, turn on the action and type bookmark navigation and destination will be the product पर अभी हम इससे country आएगा. ठीक है, close कर दो. If I hit this button, profit margin by country is there, and go here, format button, turn on the action, go on here, bookmark, destination, country is there, I want to make it by product. That's it. So now I can just simply two data dimensions by using two different charts at the same place. You can add more charts also, no problem. See, now we have one more thing. Let me just give you one more thing. Go on insert tab, go on buttons, go on navigator and bookmark navigator. So I have two bookmarks, that is product and country. I will place them here. Now I can just simply run these bookmark using this. See, if I click on product, product will be there. If I click on country, country will be there. So this is how you can create some dynamic bookmarks and dynamic interaction using Power BI. Yes, lucky wait, I'm taking session right now. I can just simply abandon this session and just simply accept your response. Don't worry, I will accept the connections. I will accept all the connections that I'm getting. Don't worry. Okay. So this is how guys you can use bookmarks. So now's the time to get the certificate. Before that, can we use bookmark in slicer? Vijay, bookmark in slicer? Yeah, no. See, if I'm giving a slicer, I can only add dimensions from my data. हम हमारे डायमेंशन में से ये जो डेटा के अंदर डायमेंशन है ना, इनमें से हम दे सकते हैं. हम स्लाइसर के अंदर बुकमार्क यूज नहीं कर सकते. एंड व्हाई डू यू वांट टू यूज द बुकमार्क्स इनसाइड स्लाइसर? कांट यू सी दैट दिस इज अ स्लाइसर ओनली? आप जितने बुकमार्क ऐड करोगे उसमें ये उतने ऐड होते जाएंगे. तो ये भी तो एक काइंड ऑफ स्लाइसर ही है. आपको अलग से क्यों स्लाइसर यूज करना है उसके अंदर? हम काम क्यों बढ़ा रहे हैं अपना? No, Vijay. The answer to your question is no. You can't add bookmark inside slicer. The bookmark navigator itself is a slicer. So I don't know why you want to use bookmark in a slicer. That is just simply adding into your work. आप अपने work में और additional manual work add कर रहे हो बेमतलब का, और उससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, the method that I just shown you, it is basically the most easiest one. So can I get the link for the quiz inside the chat box, please? Marketing team, please share the link for the quiz inside the chat box so I can show the students how they can attempt the quiz and how they can get the certificate. So guys, you have this certificate link. Now let me give you some instructions. If you have already logged in into Skilleted, अब जैसे ही मैं इसको ऑन करता हूं तो आई विल डायरेक्टली जंप ऑन टू माई सिलेक्टेड. नाउ इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी साइंड ऑन सिलेक्ट बुकमार्क इज अ स्लाइसर, देन कैन वी मेक इट एज ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू. Go on in here, go on shape, rectangle, rotation, style. Let me check if it is grid layout, oriental, horizontal, grid vertical, bookmarks all. No, we can't add a drop down. Sorry Vijay, we can't add a drop down inside bookmark. No. So as I was telling you, if you have not already signed up on Skilleted, सबसे पहले तो आपको Skilleted के वेबसाइट पे साइन अप करना होगा या साइन इन करना होगा. जैसे ही आप साइन इन करते हैं अपने ईमेल से, यू विल डायरेक्टली जंप ऑन टू दिस पेज, स्टार्ट द टेस्ट. आई नो इट विल गिव यू बाय फॉर फ्री. ओके, उसमें आपका कोई चार्ज नहीं है. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दिस. नाउ if you start the quiz, you will directly jump onto this start quiz. Start. See, I have the admin's access. मेरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सेस है, तो इट डजेंट मैटर व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आंसर आई चूज. ठीक है, मुझे वैसे सारे आंसर पता है. मैं आपको शो कर रहा हूं कि बेसिकली क्यों ये चीजें होती है. तो आई विल बी जस्ट सिलेक्टिंग रैंडम आंसर्स. ठीक है, मैं रैंडम आंसर्स यूज कर रहा हूं. मैं आई एम नॉट सिलेक्टिंग any right or wrong answers. I'm just selecting random answers so that I can show you. You have to attempt the quiz. Okay, you have to attempt the quiz with actual answers to make sure कि आप proper actual answer दो इसमें. मेरा एडमिन एक्सेस है, तो मैं तो इसमें एनी आंसर करके मैं थोड़ा इसको कर सकता हूँ. Okay, I have saved it. I will submit it. Click on submit. It says your attempt was successfully submitted. Please check after some time. Now, just if you can see at the bottom left corner पे देखो सर्टिफिकेट का बटन है. Click on it. सर्टिफिकेट के बटन पे क्लिक करना है. Click on to download your certificate. Click here. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हैं आपका सर्टिफिकेट डाउनलोड हो जाता है. क्लिक ऑन इट एंड एज अ प्रूफ हियर इज द सर्टिफिकेट. आई जस्ट गिव द क्विज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दिस इज टू सर्टिफाई that this particular person has participated in the webinar Power BI with AI, bookmarks, navigation and advanced analysis. So this is how you can simply get your certificate. Also, do how to open this link and how to get certificate I just showed. Barsha, यही तो मैं बता रहा था तब से. ठीक है. और यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो स्केलेक्टेड का लिंक भी आपके सामने है. एज इफ यू वांट टू चेक आउट मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स यू कैन फॉलो माय लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल एज वेल फॉलो द स्केलेक्टेड सेस प्रोफाइल. उस पर हमारे काफी सारे अपडेट्स आते हैं. व्हाट्स द न्यू कोर्स, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. ओके, सो आई वांट टू नो लाइक हाउ टू अटेंड द क्विज एंड गेट द सर्टिफिकेट. आई जस्ट शोड, अब भी जस्ट बताया मैंने. क्विज लिंक, प्लीज मेक द क्विज लिंक पिन क्विज लिंक को पिन कर देना प्लीज. पिन द क्विज लिंक. Sir, what value this certification add to my profile in the data analytics? If you are actually working and you do know how to use these kind of things, then this certificate can add like really great value. But if you are only doing it for a show, then it doesn't add that much of a value. It only depends upon your skill. Yes, कोई भी certificate होता है, it really gives a great value to your profile. Yes, it does. But unless and until you are not, let's say, using those particular skills or expertise, then it is like not any of use. सर्टिफिकेट मिलते हैं, अच्छी बात है. जमा करते हो, अच्छी बात है. जितने ज्यादा सर्टिफिकेट उतनी अच्छी बात है. बट यू ऑल्सो हैव टू show up your skills. By learning this, by getting this certificate or learning what you have learned, what kind of skills did you learn also? So you have to showcase your skills. And how can you showcase your skills? By using projects. Doesn't open this link. Power BI quiz link, if I'm clicking on it, see, it is opening very quite well. I just gave the quiz also, so I can't attempt it again. Okay guys, so I want to know how was this session, everyone. How like informative or how good you found this session to be. Also give your feedbacks. Was I able to like clear all of your queries or not? Just let me know in the chat box. So in the future sessions we are able to make those changes. Please write in the chat box like how did you find this session, like how good did you find this session, or like what are your responses or what are your opinion on this particular session. Write in the chat box. Uh, Panchava Leela Krishna said, awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See, these kind of responses just help us know that we are like doing something insightful and good, so that we are helping people. Useful to be honest. Thank you so much, Pradyum. क्लिक नहीं हुआ सर. अरे उस पर क्लिक करिए लिंक पर. वर्षा, आपको ये लिंक पर क्लिक करना है. दिस वन, ये जो आपके पिन में है, इसको क्लिक करोगे, ये देखो पॉपअप ऐसे ओपन होगा. नसीबा, यूजफुल सर. थैंक यू सो मच नसीबा. एंड आई होप मैक्सिमम लोगों के क्वेरी सॉल्व हुए होंगे. जिनके क्वेरी सॉल्व नहीं हो पाए हैं, मेक श्योर कि हम थोड़ा इसको एक बार दोबारा देख सकें. इसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी अपलोडेड रहेगा यूट्यूब पर. सो ऑन दिस नोट we are going to end this session here. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for being here till the end. Certificate link is there, Pradeepa. Here it is, certificate link. There it is. Attempt the quiz. Pradeepa, it is in the chat box. It is pinned up there. So thank you so much for joining this session. These kind of sessions add up to kind of a thing which gives us knowledge like podcast. Waiting for more of these. Yes, Pradyum, there will be more. There will be more of these sessions. Don't worry. Also, there is a Power BI live AI workshop of 6 days. You can join that as well. There, I will also teach you like what's the basics of Power BI till advanced of Power BI in 6 days. I will cover these things up. Okay. Welcome, Minas. So thank you so much for being till the end. Thank you so much, guys. And for more of these informative webinars, do follow Skeleted at LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Press that subscribe button, press that bell icon so that you can know every latest notifications, whatever the Skeleted is posting. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for with us. That's all for today. Bye, guys.